What up, rockers? Happy Halloween! This week I've been practicing my Halloween sounds. And this is the most epic monster sound you ever heard. And it goes like this. Hello? What was that? Yay! I'm alive! Thanks so much for watching this video. I wanna also give a big thank you to my friend Ari Savonen, who made this unbelievably scary mask. Also, Ari is releasing his own horror movie, BACKWOOD MADNESS, so make sure and go check that page out. And subscribe for more videos. See you rockers in the next video.